Today I want to share with you a pretty cool software tool that comes with Linux Mint. You might be able to get this tool on other Debian-based operating systems, but I do know that it comes with Linux Mint, and it's one of my favorite tools that I've used for quite a while. And this tool you can use with USB sticks. So we already talked about how you can insert a USB stick into your Linux Mint and how to Once you want to get that back out, how to click on the device and eject it. We've already covered that in another video. But today I want to look at a couple of software tools called the USB Image Writer and the USB Stick Formatter. And you can find this by going to your Start button, then going to Accessories, and then scroll down and you'll see USB Stick Formatter and USB Image Writer. Now, these tools make it really easy. So if you've downloaded, say you're downloading an ISO, like a Debian ISO or Ubuntu or Linux Mint ISO, and you want to put that onto a USB stick and to install it on a different computer, you can use these tools. What I'll usually do is I'll usually go ahead and format it first. So pull up this USB stick formatter, and you can, when you get ready to format, I usually will click on here, the file system, and pick the ext4 file system because that's what Linux normally uses. And I'm not going to be using Windows on my computer. So I always go down and pick ext4, which is a Linux file system. And then just give the volume label a name, whatever you want to type in there to name it. And then, of course, make sure you select the correct USB stick, and then you can format it. Then after I have formatted that, I'll go back and click Start and go back down and pick USB Image Writer. Let's click on that. And then when you have this function pulled up, you can see that there's a place there where you can select an ISO image. So you click on that and then you navigate your file system, maybe to your download folder, wherever you have your ISO at. Then you open that up, and then it has a place for your USB stick. So you click on that and you select the correct USB stick. And then you click on Write, and it will take that ISO and it will write it to your USB stick. And when that is successfully completed, then you can eject your USB stick and you can take that to any computer and install the operating system of the ISO that you downloaded, which for me, it's usually going to be either Linux Mint or Debian or Ubuntu. So I just wanted to share with you those couple of tools that are here on the Linux Mint operating system. Just click on Start, go to Accessories, and then scroll down on the right-hand side till you find the USB Image Writer and the USB Stick Formatter. Hope that helps. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video. Thank you very much.